Boys and girls, welcome to Monday's Phonics mini lesson. We are going to get started by reviewing our sounds that we are going to be working on with our words today. So we are going to start with the short A sound, ah, as in lamb. The CK sound, k, as in camera. The short E sound, ah, as in hen. The short I sound, I, as in pig. The J sound, j, as in jump. The short O sound, as in fox. The short U sound, as in tug. The NK sound, nk, as in skunk. And the NG sound, ng, as in gong. So boys and girls, we have really worked with some of these words. Some of them are new, some of the sounds are new, rather. One thing I want you to notice is when you come to a card that has more than one spelling, such as the C, the K, A, and J. They all have more than one spelling. The K card has 3 different spellings. The E card has 2 different spellings, and the J card has 4 different spellings. And the reason that we need to go over this is because we have words that might have the same sound as J, but we don't always use the J spelling. Sometimes we use the GE spelling, or the DGE, or the GI spelling. So we want to make sure that we know when to use that spelling. And sometimes it's just a matter of practicing and remembering which words get those particular sounds. Okay, so I wanted to quickly just blend our words for today. I feel like maybe we've gone over these words maybe last week. If not, let's just review them again. Wait for it to load. I'm going to say the word, highlight it, and then I want you to say it out loud at home. Badge, wedge, dodge, fudge, pack, quick, rock, duck, sang, wing, long, rung, yank, link, honk, junk, pledge, trick, crack, and strong. So we notice line 1 has the DGEs, line 2 is the CK, line 3 is the NG, and line 4 is the NK. And then there's a mixture of all of them here at the bottom. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on. Let's go ahead and do our dictation and spelling words. Dictation just means you hear the words and you are learning how to spell them. That is the first assignment you have in phonics today, and that's this, which you have done before. Remember, the first page in your Google Slides is this video that you are watching. This is where I'm going to post it. When you're done listening to the entire video, you're going to go to number 2, and you are going to identify and blend each sound. Now remember, this is where you use the vowel sound or the consonant sound when you are blending sounds into words. So for example, we would want to say ul, j, ledge. Now, one question I did get was, Mrs. Altman, what about the DGE? There are 2 consonants and a vowel. Do I have to stick every 2 blue dots and a red dot in there? And the answer is no. We want to focus on the sound that it makes. So J, DGE, makes a consonant sound, a J sound, or what we're used to seeing it as a J sound. So it's only going to get a blue dot. Okay, same thing down here. We have S, T, I, K. Oops, wrong dot. K, S, T, I, K, stick. Okay, so here we're identifying and blending each sound. Now you're going to listen to the sound, and I want you to try to put the phonemes or the sounds in its correct box. So let's listen. Ledge. Stay away from the ledge before you fall. Ledge. And I would like you to listen to the whole sentence so that you can hear the word in context. So ledge. J, j. Now, I can easily look back at the last slide I did, but I'm going to actually think this through. I have provided you your sound card for j, and you notice there are 4 spellings. So it's either L-E-J, L-E-G-E, L-E-D-G-E, or L-E-G-I. So this is where our background knowledge falls in. Which one looks familiar? Well, GI definitely does not look familiar. In fact, if you see this little black line after the I, that means a consonant should be coming after that in order for it to say the J sound. And in this word, there is no consonant after that I. So that would not work. Okay, let's do J. Okay. I'll just be honest with you, I've never seen a word look like this before. So to me, I really don't think it's L-E-J. So let's try a different one. L-E-G-E. Okay. This one is starting to look a little bit more familiar, but I'm not 100% sure. Let's try L-E-D-G-E. Yeah, this one looks almost just as similar as the other one, and I'm not quite sure. I do know that when I see a green box in front of D-G-E, that means there's a short vowel in front of it. And this E is a short vowel, so this would make the most sense. So boys and girls, ledge uses D-G-E for the J sound. Let's go to the next one. Stick. Please pick up the stick before the dog gets it. Stick. Okay, and just like the last one, I have my card here to help me if I need it, because there are 3 different spellings for at the end of my word. So I have st, eh, so it's either a C, a CK, or just a K. Now, there's one thing that kind of gives this answer away is the green box in front of the CK. Remember, boys and girls, when there is a green box on our letter cards or our sound cards, we know that a short vowel is supposed to be going in front of it. Well, the I in stick is a short vowel, so this must be CK. So here we have ledge and stick. Now, friends, I am going to erase these because I would like for you to do these boxes as well. And what you'll notice below is that there's 2 new words, and then there's sounds, 2 new words, and then there's sounds, 2 new words, and then there's sounds. So you have 6 words after the 2 that we just did together. So let me go ahead and move these dots back real quick so you can take a turn learning how to identify and blend each sound. Now, when you are done, I don't know why it does that. It's so goofy. When you are done blending and identifying the sounds, I am going to have you read a new decodable. You will read this decodable a couple times, and after you have read it for a couple days, we will move on. But this story has a lot of the sounds that we practiced today. So this is called midge. See that D-G-E? M-I-J, midge. Okay? Mrs. Altman's going to go ahead and read it for you for the first time, but then I would like you to read it today as well. Here we go. Midge is a big dog with a big head. Jack walks Midge, but Midge is too big. Midge walks Jack. Midge tugs Jack into plants. Can Jack get help? Liz helps. Liz and Jack move Midge from the plants. But Big Midge yanks Liz and Jack. She yanks them to a bridge. Help! The twins run and help. Jack, Liz, and the twins move Big Midge back. But Midge springs up. The children spring with Midge. Frank helps. Midge stops for a second, but just a second. Then Midge jumps and sniffs a bug. The kids jump as well. Next, Quinn helps. Now Midge walks. Good job, Quinn. Midge is a big dog. 6 children must walk Midge. Okay, so then I will put this on as your second assignment for today that I want you to read by yourself. So remember, friends, when you come into your task for today, you are going to do your phonics here, and then you are going to read your decodable book called Midge. Okay, boys and girls, have a good rest of your day.